Here we have a 68 plate BMW 435D XDRIVE M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £5,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website. Just to mention one there, we do have the M Sport Plus package. We also have the 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and finished in gloss black. We do have the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the grey exterior paintwork, the LED headlights, gloss black front grills, and also the front splitter, part of the full M Performance kit which this vehicle has. Right to the passenger side, you find the side skirts along the bottom, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors. We've got the black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We do also have the shark fin antennae at the top, and we also have front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. Round to the rear, you find the rear diffuser. We also have the twin pipe exhaust just down there as well. Now if you press this button on the remote, then it will pop the boot open just like so. And inside of here you find we have a decent amount of space, it goes quite far back. Storage net on the left hand side as well. We also have handles on both the left and the right hand side, so we can pull the boot back down. Back round to the driver's side, you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look at the interior then. Inside of here you find the full black leather interior. Let's have a look at the back first. You find the two seats back here. We've got the foldable armrests in the centre and the fixed ISO points as well. Having a look at the front, you find the same full leather interior. Both the front seats are heated and they're also electrically adjustable. Driver's side has the memory function. We have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, electric power folding mirrors, electric windows, got the automatic lights, automatic wipers, and a multifunctional steering wheel as well. If you just take a seat inside, then you find the digital dashboard in front of us. We've got the paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel. Put our foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle will turn on. We also have the button just here. Press that button and it'll activate the heated steering wheel. As you can see, just that popped up on the dashboard. Speed limiter and the cruise control on the left hand side. Got the high beam assist as well on that stalk. And we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Now if any lights or screens are flickering, it's just the camera. They're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. We do have the main infotainment screen in the centre. Again, if it's flickering, it's just the camera. Plenty of features on here, so if we quickly go through them, we've got the sat-nav, we've got the radio stations, we also have the media options as well back here, where you can see the Bluetooth audio and the USB. Bluetooth phone connectivity as well for making phone calls. And we do also have the different drive modes as well, so you find Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport, and also Sport Plus. Also changes the look of the dashboard as you flick between different drive modes, as you can see, just like so. We do also have the sport displays as well, which is a pretty cool feature to have. Moving further down, you find the dual zone climate control for the front, got the heated seats on either side, and also the ice cold air conditioning there, all working as they should do. We do also have the automatic gearbox as well, with the different drive mode buttons just there. We have the cup holders just inside of there with a 12-volt connectivity. Shortcuts for the screen. We also have the reversing camera if you put it into reverse, and you find the parking sensors as well on the left hand side. Put it back into park just like so. We have the manual handbrake and then the armrest in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. A video test drive of this BMW 435D XDRIVE M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you expect it to. As you can see, I'm now having to fight with the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, but not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, but staying straight and true. Now we do have the multifunctional steering wheel, which does have the paddle shifters either side. So if you did want to take the car into manual mode, you can tap one of the paddles and it will change gear. The steering wheel is also heated. We've got the button just here on the side to activate the heated steering wheel. We've got the speed limiter and the cruise control buttons on the left hand side. Volume buttons on the right along with the Bluetooth phone connectivity. Digital dashboard in front of us, which can show different displays that you would have seen on the photos. We do also have the premium Harman Kardon sound system in this vehicle. It really does sound incredible. And if you do listen carefully as well throughout this video test drive, you'll also notice it will be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we do also have the full leather interior throughout the vehicle. Very comfortable seats, easy to do 2, 3, or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also heated, perfect for them cold winter mornings, and they're also electrically adjustable, again adding to that comfort level. We do have plenty of other features. We've got the main infotainment screen, which is currently showing the sat-nav, but also has plenty of other features, again, you would have seen on the photos. We do also have the dual zone climate controller just here for the front, the ice-cold air conditioning as well. We've got our right indicator on, we're starting to slow down, and we're about to make a right-hand turn onto the industrial park, and I'll perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2, and 1. Hard onto the brakes, put the car into reverse. We've got the reversing camera and the parking sensors appear on the screen. Back into drive now with no issues whatsoever. Now, if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.